Hello guys, today I want to show you an issue with my new Runcam Split 4, and my problem is it is completely new camera. I was used around 10 times and finally it died because I suppose there is some bug inside. Initially I thought that problem is in mainboard, but it's focus on this. But finally, when it dead, I screw it off and turn off this sensor board, and Runcam started with OSD, with menu, and everything works well, but in flight, once when I tried to fly in city park, I only started motors and it was stuck. The image was stuck, and after rebooted, plug out and plug in, it was like red lines and nothing else, and it was covered with a thin sheet of this hot glue. It started to warm very hard, very strong, and all this glue, even it was outside about minus 25 degrees of Celsius, this glue melted and spread everywhere, and there is some tape from my Crossfire Mod Nano. It was glued there like this, and okay, I want to show you what it shows. We can take battery, plug it in, we have to turn off the light and plug in. Oh, mess. Plug in. Runcam started without any SD card in the slot, and what we could see, wrong frequency. Okay, now I have to scan. Okay, here it is. Do you see what I see? It is something wrong. Okay, we could try to replug it again. I open the cap. It's already very hot, and plug it again. Now there is nothing. We could plug it in, and what we see, there is only Betaflight OSD and nothing good from the camera. No image, only some red lines and other vertical and horizontal lines, and everything is red and etc. Okay, now I want to show you how it will be if I unplug this sensor from the main board. It is very hot and glue melted. Okay, let's unplug it. We need to disassemble this sensor, but I do not afraid, because I think it's completely dead. Okay, hot glue melted. But connector is clean. Connector is very clean. Okay. This is sensor of Runcam Split. Pretty big one. Very good lens. You know, it is a big aperture, about, I suppose it is about f1.0 maybe, or 102. Okay, let's try to start up camera. Also the connector is pretty clean. No glue there. And now we try to start up camera without the sensor. And what is that? Runcam started, but after the logo there is nothing, because there is no sensor. Okay, where is the focus? Let's try to start the OSD. Runcam OSD. Where is the button? No, we need to push another button, second button. Now I push the button. Where is? Okay, there is a button. Runcam starts again. We need OSD. Oh no, it's rebooted. Maybe we need the first button again. First button. No reaction. Second button. Runcam started. Okay. We need OSD. No, it's reboot. Okay. No OSD menu. But last time I saw it worked well. Maybe I need to install the SD card into the slot. Maybe we could try it with SD card. Okay. There is a hole between our wires and we could install the transcend 32 gigabytes SD card in it, and okay, what we see, Runcam logo. Is it works? No, any LED flashed. Okay, try to push the button. Oh, mainboard started to work. No, it won't work because maybe it understands that there is no sensor board connected. There is no sensor board connected. Okay. Maybe we could try to connect the sensor second time. Where is the camera? Well, yes. Second time connect sensor to this one, and it's okay. And try to and again red screen, nothing good. It shows us nothing good. I suppose this could be it could work well if I had a replace part of this sensor board, but where we could buy it, I don't know. Maybe Runcam Support maybe helps me. I'm taping this video for the Runcam Support Team, and whether they could help me or not, I don't know. It's completely new camera. The symptoms was it turned off if outside temperature was below the -5 degrees about or less. I was thinking that it was problem about something electronic on mainboard, but finally it died. Then I wrapped all my quadcopter with tape. This one. With this tape to protect it from the cold wind when you're flying, and in this condition it works well and not turned off during the flight, but I was surprised when it died on the ground. Okay, thanks for watching. I am waiting for your answer to my request. Can you help me or not? I don't know.